In 2 years or less, you could be earning $40,000 a year.
I had worked for a company for 9 years. We were based out of Penn Springs, West Virginia. It was a manufacturing company, and one day they just decided to move everything to Mexico. So I found myself on the unemployment line. My father thought that I would become a good machinist.
I see young guys coming to this because of just the excitement of working with machinery. You know, it's the fire, it's the sparks, it's being able to take a raw piece of material and turn it into something useful.
The two main parts of this are learning the programming and also learning the hands-on how to actually operate the machine after you've programmed it. Well, it's pretty challenging. I mean, it takes a lot of imagination because you receive that print and it's usually up to the programmer to figure out how that part is going to be made. So anybody likes to use their imagination and their skills hands-on to do it would enjoy it.
They taught me what I needed to learn using my hands and basically giving me that real world experience that could put me out there and make me more employable than just a business degree. Basically, the business degree was a piece of paper.
I'm teaching the CNC programming and the setup and then how to place the parts in a lot of shops. That's 3 different jobs. Aerospace, mining equipment, automotive equipment, any place that makes parts, metal parts that go into just about anything. After you gain more experience and actually move into the actual setting up of the machine or the actual programming, you're talking maybe $15 an hour up.
My paychecks from having a 4-year degree and coming here for 3 semesters increased by 50% leaving the school. And I had a job waiting on me 2 months before I left here.
Welders, machinists, and mechanics, electricians were called blue-collar workers. Today's society, we will eventually come to the point where there's going to be gold-collar workers, and they'll be paid really well compared to other people. Today in major cities, electricians will make $30, $35 an hour.
I was confident in myself. When I left here, I knew that I would go to Phillips, and might take me a little while to get my feet wet, but I had the ability to do what needed to be done for them. It's been a blessing to be here at this school. It just basically opened my eyes to a whole new world.
Classes are enrolling now. Log on to earnmorewv.com.